My name is Luyanda Monges Simelane, and then I am representing the Steady company, which is owned by Mr. Mpipuzi Bindi. I'm really excited to learn more and maybe get some necessary tools for me to can maybe implement those leadership skills in the company, wherever, and even in life.
Hi everybody, my name is Annie and I am here at New Beginnings Dynamic Studio. I'm a yoga instructor and I believe yoga is so important for so many reasons. Some of the benefits for a stressful life, just to decrease the stress, clutter out of the mind. It helps with anxiety, purity of deep relaxation, and it brings balance into your life in every form, whether it be in your personal life, in your work life. It strengthens confidence within you, not just for adults, but for children. I think it's imperative that everybody stretch and breathe. The breath is so important, especially for the mind.
So Nedbank's been running for 3 months now. Today's topic will focus predominantly around the soft skills. We focus on leadership. As a scaling business and CEO of a business that grows and scales, it's important for you to understand that when you start a business, you often are the jack of all trades, but as your business scales and evolves and grows over time, you can no longer be the bottleneck in your business. And so fundamentally hiring the right people and how you deal with people becomes an investment that you need to make in your business.
Employees that are engaged don't just work for a salary, they work for a purpose at the end of the day. And when you have disengaged employees in your workplace, it becomes toxic. It's almost like a cancer within your organization because they spread that toxic behavior to other employees by continuously complaining about things. So it's something that I believe all businesses, no matter what your size is, you should be focusing on engaging your employees.
My name is Tato Rufunomausi. I am from Toyando in Limpopo province. I run a business, or I'm a founder of a business called Agrimesh Industries, which is a retail supplier of farming and agricultural products in rural areas. Training has been good. I've been in various trainings before, entrepreneurship trainings before, and this one is different. For example, today we were busy on the pitch deck. So it was more detailed, step by step. So it's very practical kind of trainings, which you can go and apply instead of the other trainings that I've been to, which were more theoretical. So it's more of a template kind of situation where I'm just going to plug in whatever I know or my own information or already prepared template regarding the pitch deck, for example. So it's very insightful. That's why I'm traveling more than 400 kilometers to actually attend them. So it's actually very insightful and different, and I'm going to be propelled for the future. Yeah.